Hi. We represent Ping from Universe 2, and today we will be discussing our progress, we will be presenting results, and lastly, we will also be sharing our experiences from this game and from working together in an international environment. Hello, my name is Caroline Alles. To start off, our initial strategy was to focus on differentiation rather than cost leadership. We wanted to differentiate our product through technology, and we wanted to do this by investing early on in research and technologies so we could acquire new technologies and new features that the competition hadn't required yet. Furthermore, that we also wanted to provide our customers with the best quality product that was available. At the beginning of this, in round one, we carefully selected the two suppliers that were needed, and we selected the two suppliers with the best ratings. Their costs were a bit higher, but we thought it was necessary and it would be worth it because it would decrease the possibility of us having ethical issues and issues when it came to social responsibilities, and this way we could provide our customer with the best product throughout a ethical and fair process. And at the end of round 12, we also had a sustainability report of 5, which is the highest that we could possibly get. At the beginning, we also took a look at all the different technologies that we could possibly produce and put on the market, and we decided to invest in technology 3 early on. We invested in research and development early on because competition was most likely focused on tech 1 and 2 at the beginning, and in the projection it was clear that technology 3, the popularity of this product, would also increase, especially in Asia. So this is why we decided this, and we did. We invested in features and technology of this product early on, and it was worth it because we were the first ones in our universe to put this product on the market, and we also acquired the most features for this product in the first rounds. But besides this product, we also invested a lot of research and development in technology 1 and 4. And at the end, in round 12, we were selling technology 1 with 8 features and both technology 3 and 4 with 10 features, which is the highest we could possibly have. Furthermore, in order for us to invest in research and development and increase our features and technology and quality, we also gradually increased our personnel and training budget. This way we could acquire more person days for allocation, and also we also invested in capacity plans both in the USA and in Asia, so we had more in-house capacity and our demand was predicted to increase the next round, so this was an investment that was also needed and helped us throughout this process.
Hello everyone, I am Luca Casanova, member of Pink, and I am the price-related person of this team. I will give you a brief explanation of marketing and how we managed to do this. We started with less promotion together with a high selling price. We found out that we could do better, and after 6 or 7 rounds we still didn't use as much promotion as we wanted to, but now we had a low selling price. Again, this didn't work out very well for us and we thought we could do better. That's why in round 9 we had chosen to do plenty promotion together with a low selling price. As we had high developed products from the start, as Colleen already mentioned, together with the low price we offered our products for in the end, we managed to get high profits. The last 5 rounds we had an average profit of 165,000 USD. The strategy ensured we had a high market share as well in comparison to the others. In USA we almost had 8% of market share, while Asia and Europe ensured us of almost 10% of market share. Now I will give you a briefer explanation of our logistics. From the start on, we kept our beginning inventory very low, which is something we can be proud of. Regarding the production in the USA, Most of the production was shipped to Europe and USA itself, while the production of Asia stayed mostly in Asia. Looking to the finance part of our company, we managed to achieve a sales revenue of 2.5 million K USD, of which a majority was generated in Asia. Round 12 ended with approximately 2.5 million K USD of equity, which is quite high in comparison to the competition. During the first half of the game, our debt in both short and long term stood around 2 billion USD, which is quite high. During the second half of the game, we managed to transfer these into 900 million USD, which is also an achievement. Finally, I will tell you something about the shareholders in our company. We had a total of 44,000 shares outstanding. One share costed 128.54 USD. We ended with a share capital of 550,000, which is quite high in comparison to the competition.
Hi there, my name is Marie and I will take the presentation now from here on. I'm an exchange student from Germany, and even though Germany and Netherlands are neighboring countries, there are some differences in culture, especially when it comes to working together as a team. So at the beginning, we were 4 students in this group, including Colleen and Lucas, who are the regular students, and also 2 exchange students, including me. As I'm the only exchange student, I will give you some insights about my experience in doing business games here. So unfortunately, we had some beginning problems at the start of this business game. So the other exchange student that was in our team connected with us via WhatsApp, but soon started to not responding to our messages. And also we had problems finding time slots with him. So after kind of negotiating about time slots, we agreed on one time that was suitable for everyone, but nevertheless he didn't show up. So since then he isn't in our group anymore, I guess. But besides that, I had a very nice experience in working as a team here. From an exchange student's perspective, it's sometimes hard to get into another country and working together with people that have the same language. So as I don't speak Dutch, it was very nice of Luca and Colleen to speak English all the time. They did not speak a word Dutch. That made me feel very included. Another positive aspect of our team was that everyone was on time, we were never delayed, and we could start right away with our team meetings. So we didn't have to wait for anyone, and that was quite nice. I also like that we had a very open communication and open discussion. So everyone was included into the discussions and was very engaged actively into the meetings. And besides that, every opinion was heard. And even if we had different opinions, we either made compromises or discussed long about it. And even discussions were very polite and also fair. And nobody was hurt or angry after our meetings. So to wrap that up, I think we had quite a nice teamwork. So another difference that I noticed was the business game itself. Here was less pressure and also less competitiveness than at home because my grades weren't based on the business's success. That made quite a nice atmosphere. Here we also discussed the results in a meeting, and after that we did the decisions for the next rounds. In the previous business game, we subdivided our team in departments, thought about our results first alone, and then talked to our team member in our department about possible solutions and possible decisions we could take, and then talked only about the decisions we made in our department in our meetings. So here the meetings were more intense. We had longer discussions than I had at home, so I had quite a value out of that. But I can't say which strategy or which approach was better for me or better for the business game, but it's just something I noticed. So that's it from my side. I hope you liked the small insight into my experiences, and I wish you a very nice week. Thank you for listening.